out here at the round 2 Rover MX Nationals. It was a bit of an up and down day. I finished third in MX1, which I'm happy about, and MX2, I was running at the front and they red flagged it, and just made a couple mistakes. Just gonna put my head down, and thanks to Tracy and Uncle Guy and Out of Africa, Monster Energy, Yamaha for everything and accommodating all the riders. They always do the best, and I believe we can be up there.